This is where we break through, we're burning the bridges home. It's time that we take control. And baby, don't ever let it go. Before you let it go, there's something you should know. Let it go, stop letting it take control. Before you let it go, you should really know that I'm all about you, all about you, all about you. The air inside my lungs, I'm breathing, but you don't even have to say I do. I'm sorry, but